Right. Okay, sorry, could you say that again? I missed the first message you said.
I beg your pardon?
Could you repeat what you just told me? I missed the first part of what you told me.
Okay, let me tell you once again. Sir, so basically the reason of my call is just to inform you. Okay, this was a routine checkup call about your internet. It's just to inform you that from last couple of days we are working in our server. On that point of time we are receiving some notifications like a red color errors and yellow color warnings from your broadband connections, which is not good for your router. That's why as soon as possible we are the service provider. That is our duty to take care of it. As soon as possible we just give you a call to make you aware of that current problems and help you out to fix all the problems. Okay?
Okay. And what company are you from?
We are calling you from the Virgin Media.
Virgin Media. And where are you based? Which Virgin Media place are you from?
Sir, right now you are getting this call from the headquarters.
Oh, from London or Edinburgh or Glasgow or where are you?
No, I'm calling you from the United Kingdom, London.
London. And what street are you based in?
It's 1811 Weston Street.
1811. What street? Sorry.
1811 Eversham Street.
Eversham.
Eversham Street.
Okay. And what's the messages you're getting from my router?
Sir, not your letter, from your broadband connection. I do believe you remember. When you are registered with us, we will give you the box. The
Okay.
router box.
Yeah. And what do I need to do?
Actually, sir, we are just trying to help you out to as soon as possible. Just like check out that problems is.
Okay.
And just trying to like remove all the problems from your internet and make your internet safe and secure.
Okay. So what do I need to do?
Okay. You need to just be in front of your router first and just tell me how many lights do you see in your router.
One.
Please just start from the beginning. Only one light. Which color light is that? It's a red, blue, white.
It's green.
It's green. And is that flashing?
No.
No, it's steady.
Yeah.
All time is steady.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Apart from this, like in this router, how many total devices you connect with this
2.
internet? Not at the moment and it's normal time.
2.
Like you or your family member?
2.
All of them? 2.
2.
Sorry?
2.
What is that? It's few or two?
2. TWO.
2. Okay. Now, no issue with that. Now let me just show you the problems. I do believe you're handy with your mobile.
Yep.
Okay, no issue. Just unlock your mobile and just which mobile you are using. It's a Apple mobile or it's Android?
Android.
It's Android. First of all, let me tell you, sir. We need to remove the problems. Okay. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to just send you the secure backup support.
Okay.
To connect you with our service department.
Okay.
Then we can go further with you and just start a work with you, okay?
That's great.
Provide you the services. Now, sir, first of all, just open the Play Store.
Okay.
In your Play Store, you need to type over there.
Okay.
Team Weaver.
Team Viva.
Shall I spell it for you?
Yeah, please.
It's Team. T as in Tango, E as in Edward, A as in Apple, M as in Monkey. It's Team.
Okay.
Then V as in Victoria, I as in Indiana, E as in Edward, W as in Washington, again E as in Edward, R as in Roger. Weaver. It's Team Weaver, all in one word.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what do you type over there? Just confirm me from the beginning.
Okay. Yep, I've done that.
Just tell me from the beginning so that I can understand you are typing the right thing or not.
I've
Just spell out for me.
I've put it in and it's working. That's fine.
Sorry?
Yep, I've done it.
Didn't catch you. Can you please come again?
No, I've put it in.
What do you put in? Just spell out for me
What you said.
that I can understand.
No, I put in what you said.
For that, you need to just read out for me. You need to just read out so that I
No.
can understand you are doing the right thing or not.
No, I'm doing the right thing and I've put it in and it's fine.
No, you think you are looking you as very smart.
Don't be cheeky.
Huh?
Don't
What
be
do you
cheeky.
think? You are very smart. You are very clever.
Don't be cheeky,
Huh?
please.
Why you shut your mouth? What happened to you? Are you taking your daddy dick into your mouth?
I've typed it in.
Motherfucker. What then? You think you are very clever and smart.
That's up to others to define.